In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Snapshot in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an existing snapshot, generate a share link, and use that link to import the snapshot into your account quickly and safely. First, a quick overview. In GoHighLevel, a snapshot is a packaged set of assets, things like funnels, automations, pipelines, and settings, that you can reuse across accounts. Importing a snapshot is perfect for rolling out a standardized setup to clients or new subaccounts. To keep everything organized and to access the right controls, you need to work from the agency level view. Start by making sure you are in Agency View. Look at your top navigation or account switcher and confirm you're viewing the agency dashboard rather than a single subaccount. If you don't see agency level options, switch into the agency view before going further. Next, open Account Snapshots. This is where all the snapshots you own or manage are listed. If this tab isn't visible, it's a strong hint that you're not in the agency view yet. Find the specific snapshot you want to import and open its options by clicking the three-dot menu next to it. This menu is where GoHighLevel keeps actions such as sharing, editing, and managing the snapshot. Choose Share Snapshot. Sharing creates a special import link that can be used to bring the snapshot into an account. Select Get Link. GoHighLevel will generate a unique link for this snapshot. Think of it as the doorway to trigger the import process. It's a good idea to keep track of which link corresponds to which snapshot. Copy the link to your clipboard. Make sure it's fully copied. A quick paste into a temporary note can help you confirm you've got the entire URL. Close the Share window to return to your dashboard. Your link is saved to your clipboard, so you're ready for the import. Open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Press Enter. You should land on the GoHighLevel import screen. Staying in the same browser where you're already signed in helps avoid access issues. Finally, confirm by selecting Yes, Import Now. GoHighLevel will begin importing the snapshot's assets. This can take a moment depending on size. When it completes, you'll see confirmation and the snapshot's assets will be available for configuration. If anything doesn't load, double-check you're in the correct agency, that the snapshot is active, and that your permissions allow imports. And that's the full process for importing a snapshot in GoHighLevel.